Crazy or not, that kind of love never dies.
How can I find you when you're always hiding from yourself? Playing hide and seek with me till it gets too dark inside your shell. How do I even try when you take me for granted? I should know better by now. When you call, I already hear that crashing sound as it all falls down. It's never too late to turn it back around. Yeah, I know you can. Don't bury your demons deep in the ground. When it all falls down, the only way is up, up, up. The only way is up. I watch your spirit break as it shatters into a million pieces. Just like glass, I see right through you in your parade of excuses. Feels like ground.
I kissed David.
A part of my life is done. I don't want to be with you.
I just want you to go.
There's that look in your eye, and I hear that crashing sound as it all falls down. It's never too late to turn it back around. Yeah, I know you can. Don't bury your demons deep in the ground. When it all falls down, the only way is up, up, up.
You can fight it. You just have to want it bad enough.
Because I love you.
Yeah, and because you love me. You'll fight because after everything that we've been through, you owe me that. I love you, Stefan. Hold on to that.
I owe you everything. Because through all of this, you are the one thing that's kept me from turning it off.
But it's not too weak to bring you back to
Fight for it.
It's never too late to turn it back around.
He's gonna kill Jeremy.
Don't bury your demons deep in the ground.
And you can go to hell.
When it all falls down, when it all
How could you? My parents died going over this bridge. I almost died. You're the one.
too late to turn it back
Destroying Klaus is all I've left.
You had me.
I lost you the minute I left town.
down. The only way is up. The only way is up.
You could have let me die in that fire tonight. Why didn't you?
Because I still have hope.
After everything I've done,
I know who you really are. Better than anyone, Stefan. And I'm not giving up.
I shouldn't have kidnapped you.
Thank you. I didn't plan on kissing him.
You're better than him, Elena. You're better than both of us.